Hey Pyros! I got a series we're going to put together for you this week called From World Class Fireworks, USA. Tonight we're going to start with the U. The next night we'll do an S, and then the following night we'll do an A. And then we'll have a video at the very, very end that will do USA. Enjoy, Pyros! Let's get lit. Nice. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey Pyros, here's the second version of the USA fountains by World Class Fireworks.
So
let's get lit, Pyros.
Walk.
Ready?
The dogs are watching.
Okay, here we go. Sorry, Pyros, I got my dogs and the family watching the show tonight. You ready? All right, let's do it. Nice. Like, comment, subscribe.